Namaste everyone. This light language channeling is going to be a series of channeling as separate videos for healing and clearing the womb space of various negative imprints, traumas, trapped emotions. Why womb space is so important in our healing journey is that to explain the importance of womb space, our earliest part of existence into the world. Can you guess when do we come into existence in this physical body? Any guess? Genetics speaks a lot about this. We came into existence in our grandmother's womb. When our mother was a fetus in her mother's womb, we were eggs in the fetus. So it is very obvious that we have been receiving the trauma, emotional abuse, or any sort of physical assault, anchoring of sexual energies, and any sort of resentment, negative feelings, rage, etc., that our grandmother went through has been stored in the womb space. We have received the trauma of our grandmother as well as our mother also. And at the same time, we have been receiving the wisdom from the grandmother also. Our womb space now is a mixture of both the blessings as well as the trauma that we have been receiving from our ancestors, as well as we do carry the trauma of our own self in the womb space. So, womb space is a kind of a chalice. It is kind of a seat, a chalice of our soul. It's the seat of our existence. It is the seat of creativity. It is the seat of connection with the universe. So, in order for the womb space to function effectively in its fullest potential of creativity and existence, and to serve the purpose that we have come to Mother Earth, it is very necessary that we need healing and clearing of the womb space. I think in the healing community, womb space healing is quite popular. Spirit has been showing me a lot of chalices as symbols, Ace of Cups and chalices in my everyday life, just reminding me to go about recording the light language channeling for clearing various negative energies and traumas from the womb space, and to establish a connection with our womb space with the universe, to rejuvenate the communication, to rejuvenate the communion of oneself with the higher self. So, this light language series of channeling is about clearing various traumas such as fear, guilt, resentment, energies of the past lovers stored in it. So, by healing the womb space, we will be able to be in our own essence of presence, and we can be in more alignment with our divine soul purpose. Listen to this transmission. Comment on any of the negative trauma you wish to receive light language channeling for in the comment section, so that we can expand the healing process for that too. As of now, I am uploading a few 3 to 4 files. This intro will be there in all of the videos uploaded for various traumas. You can listen to this and set your intention, receive the healing, and happy womb space clearing. Get into your power. Okay? And with regard to receiving the healing, just relax yourself in a sitting or lying down position. Keep both of your hands on the womb space, that is 3 to 4 inches below your navel. Focus your breathing in the navel area in the womb space, that is below 3 to 4 inches below your navel. Focus your breathing there. Relax yourself, set intention, receive the light codes and let it go. Drink lots of water. Again, it's a common mandatory for any healing process. It will facilitate the excretion, the physical excretion of the negative energy stored in our physical body. Okay, so this is going to be a powerful healing session, and the session is protected by Saint Germain's violet flame and the protection of the Divine Father Shiva and protection of Divine Mother Shakti. Pray your guides, receive the healing, and comment your experiences. Thank you.